So we had a 2013 Audi Q5 Prestige with the 3.0 supercharged engine come in. Vehicle was getting a P052E code. That is a PCV malfunction code, and it was also consuming oil because the PCV back here, which is under the supercharger, we already removed. It was consuming oil. So to rectify the problem, you basically get a new PCV. It's not too bad of a job. This is a really good engine. Once in a while, we do see this happen on the 3.0, where you're gonna need to update the PCV. But yeah, it's a pretty simple job, straightforward job. Once you change the PCV out, oil consumption will stop, and yeah, you'll be back riding like new. If you need any Audi repairs, Volkswagen, Porsche, and you're in the Mississippi area, come check us out at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. 228-438-2056. And we're banging this one out. Thanks for checking out the video.